Lou's Custom Exhaust in Quincy. I'm just going to give you guys a couple examples of some repair work. You can see this old exhaust system is all beat up. And this girl's trying to trade the car in and it was broken right here, and really loud. And you can see part of that pipe is this catalytic converter. The part itself is like $400 and something. I mean, if you look at the car, you can tell. I mean, it's not like a horrible car, but it's older. You're not going to want to put $400 in before you trade it in. So we just patched it up for $80. And we also have another one. You have an older Toyota here, Corolla. You know, a lot of miles, 220,000. You can see it's still got most of the factory exhaust. One of our guys is welding in a repair. We had repaired it here for them last year, and now we're doing the flex section. And again, replacing a part like that instead of the whole entire pipe saves a lot of money. It's usually 25% of the total cost of what you normally pay. And that's it.